Doing all. Am I audible? Think. Yeah, good evening all. So how many of you have understood the four operators? And we have seen a lot of examples on understanding OR as well as concatenation. Correct? Okay. So let's begin the session. In previous session, we have seen in the part one what are the four operators, how they help us to represent expression. But we are trying to understand even the remaining operators, 𝐶𝐸 star and 𝐶𝐸 plus. Now we'll begin the session. Before that, in case if you have not joined Telegram, and then you can join the Telegram group, and the lectures and any doubts if you want, and the PDF that I am going to share in the same group. In case you are not aware, please join this group and access to the PDF. In last session, we have seen the OR as well as concatenation. Well, I will practice now 𝐶𝐸 star and 𝐶𝐸 plus. I have given some homework questions, and I think some people have done and some people are actually trying it. Let me access to the Telegram group I have here. Let me check. How many of you were answered homework questions? Let me start with them. Yeah. The first one which I have given is A star plus epsilon. What is the meaning of it? A star plus epsilon. It means A star is already having epsilon, A, double A, and triple A, so on, right? Plus you have epsilon. Is this epsilon covered twice? So you can ignore one of them, right? You know epsilon plus epsilon is equal to epsilon. So you no need to write twice. So simply you can ignore this. You can write equal to A star. This was the first question which I have given in the last class. How many of you have joined? Amta, Sneaky, Aditya, Toby. Good. The second question was A plus epsilon whole star. How many of you tried A plus epsilon whole star? And see, this is not the mathematics to simplify always. Remember that you can't get answer simplification directly. You should understand it. Like, will you get epsilon? How do you get? By putting a power 0, right? By putting power 0. And will you get A? In a power 1, you have A also. Correct? Do you have a double A? That's A square. How will you get it? You can repeat twice and you can take the A. Okay. Similarly, A power 3 by repeating 3 times. But what is the difference between this A star and A plus epsilon whole star? It is also giving A star. But difference is, if I want to generate epsilon here, you just write a power 0. But if I want to generate epsilon here, infinite ways I can generate. Power 0 also is epsilon. Even power 1 I can take epsilon. Even power 2 also I can take. Both the times no need to take the same, but you can take if you want it. This is how the single string you can generate infinite ways, but here only one way. Right? This is the second question I have given in the last class homework. Third one, a star plus a star. This was the question. A star plus a star. You know r plus r is r only, no? You no need to worry about it. And fourth question is a star plus double a whole star. See, this are nothing but even a's, right? You can get every string which you have even number of a's. This is all a's, you know, right? Any number of a's you can cover here. This is already covered here. Just like sigma star plus any. You will get a sigma star only. In mathematics we say universal set union, anything is universal set. Okay. This is equal to star. Yeah. Fifth one is a plus plus a. And all these are easy. Most of answer correctly except last one. A plus is already having a. If you simplify, a plus means a plus double a plus triple a and so on. This is a plus. Plus additionally you want to keep the a, then this a is covered twice. You can ignore once. Will you get a plus only? This can't increase the strings, that can't add extra strings. So the 5 questions, first 5 questions we have seen yesterday homework, in the yesterday homework. Sixth one is similar to the fifth one, a plus plus a square. Is it similar to this one only? A plus plus a square. And here double a already there, writing a square can't increase the number of strings, you will get the same answer. And seventh one, a star plus a plus. Let me know if you have any doubt so far. No doubts? Let me access. We write the questions first because every time is not good. Seventh, a star plus a plus. Eighth, a star dot a star. Can you answer all of them? A star dot a plus. And the one thing which you have seen, somebody did the mistake for the 10th one. Remaining all are correct. Even the comment box also. Comment box also, the 10th one has different answer. Let's try one by one. See, all these a plus strings covered in a star. So can I say a star only? Again sigma star union, anything is sigma star. Okay. Here, oh, this you need to understand. A star dot a star, a star dot a star. In a star you have epsilon, a square, everything. Here also epsilon plus a square plus everything. And look at here, this epsilon, when I concatenate with everyone, will you get a star? Because epsilon dot epsilon epsilon, epsilon dot a, epsilon dot a square, and now you take any of them, a dot epsilon, a was already covered by epsilon dot a, correct? A dot a square already covered by epsilon dot a square. So you cannot get more than a star because a star is a universal language. It represents universal language over a. Right? Now here You can see similarly A star dot A plus. A star is similar to the above dot A plus. A plus means will start from A. And this is A plus, this is A star. Now take epsilon and concatenate with everyone. What will you get? You will get first A plus, correct? Epsilon dot A is A, epsilon dot A square is A square, epsilon dot A3 is A3, and so on. Using this epsilon, you can generate everything with all the possible strings. Now if you take this A dot A square was already covered here. So you cannot get extra strings, and anyhow epsilon is not possible, right? Even though you have epsilon here, but in overall expression, the epsilon dot A is A, epsilon dot A square is A square, but epsilon dot epsilon is not there, so you can't get epsilon. Last one, this is just minimum one minimum A, right? This is also minimum A, right? And overall minimum you will get double A. A dot A is a minimum double A. So some people have written A plus. It's not equal to A plus, it is equal to A square plus A power 3 plus A power 4. Everyone you will get. But A you will not get, epsilon you will not get. So this one you can write many ways, like AA, and I can write A star. Now how can I generate everyone? If I put A power 0, I'll get A square. If I put A power 1, already 2 A's are there, 3 A's overall. So this is a notation. You can write many ways, like A plus or A plus A. Got it? And even A star you can put anywhere, but at only one place. Everybody got? The 10th one is really interesting. Like for the beginners, there is a possibility of writing the wrong answer. So you can correct it now. Any doubt? I think all the homework questions are done. Can we practice some questions now? I'll give you questions. Please try. What can you get? I'm continuing that. This we have not done it. Even you can keep this to any level, like A star, full star, full star. You can keep it in comment box, and we'll be looking at waiting for your answer. Eleventh is A star. What about 12th? Anybody not understood? You can ask me. I'll explain in it. Go ahead. So I'll give you 1 more minute, then I'll explain all the. First 3 A star. Yes, you're right, Toby. And also don't forget to like the session, which will help us to reach a lot of students. So please share with your friends, and also like the session, be regular, you will learn a lot. Should I answer it? You are taking time. Have you understood how to simplify it? This one, like A star power 0 plus A star power 1, A star power 2 plus so on. And can you simplify? Anything power 0 is what? Like A star power 0 is what? Epsilon. A star power 1 is what? A star. And A star power 2 is what? A star dot A star. This is also A star. Even A star power 3, which is nothing but A star dot A star dot A star. What you can do, you can put two of them are epsilon. You can use A star to generate every string, correct, over the A's. In case if you have any doubt, you can use this QR code for Telegram group. You can ask the doubts immediately now. So I'll be replying it. Understood? So epsilon plus A star, A star, A star, is it equal to A star only? Everyone is A star except the first one. Is it A star only? And A star whole plus, here onwards it begins. Still the answer is same now. A star power 1 is A star, and doing all of them are A star only. This is also A star plus A star plus, everybody is A star, correct? We have seen here. This one, A plus whole star. Now you may have a doubt, how to get epsilon? Because you have a power 0, A plus power 0, and A plus power 1, and A plus power 2. And this is also A plus, this is also A plus. A plus whole square is not A plus, again, it's a different one. Here minimum 2 A's, here minimum 1 A, and this A plus, this is going to be epsilon, correct? This is going to be A plus. Together, will they give you A star? These two are enough. Epsilon plus A plus will already give you every string over the A, and here the minimum 2 A's is possible. A plus dot A plus, you just now we have seen minimum 2 A's possible. Put in. Now you can't get epsilon. A plus power 1, A plus power 2, and so on. This is enough. It is going to dominate everyone. You will write A plus, and this is A star, and here this are even A's, this are odd A's, and when you do the union of even and odd A's, all the strings are covered, which is nothing but A star. 16th is A star. Epsilon, is it covered or not, Hardik? Here epsilon is there. You have written A plus, so here already epsilon is there. Epsilon is possible. Correct. We will see some of the interesting expressions. Please complete this, like A dot A star. 18. We have already seen, but I'm writing specially again to help you. They are very important. I'll wait for your answers. As soon as you deliver the answer, then I'll explain. Then it's also a. '19, how come A plus? Did I write A star dot A or A star plus? Everybody able to solve till 23? Please answer till 23. 21 you have answered. All are correct. 22 and 20. Solve for you. First one you have A plus is also A plus, and see this A is already there here. You can just write A star now. Now I explained A plus A star. A star is having even epsilon, A, double A, triple A. A plus A you are writing twice, correct? It is also same. A star plus A plus A star, both are same. This one A plus double A whole star, is it A star only? Is not required at all. Redundant term, useless. Of course useful, but already A was doing what double A can do. See, if I want a double A, I can do in power 1 or I can do even in power 2. This A I can take twice. And this one, see, double A plus triple A whole star, if anybody tries, except 1A everybody comes, and 1A is already here. If you see, epsilon is power 0 plus single A already given here, and double A, you can see that double A power 1, and if you want A power 3 is there here. A power 4 double A you can repeat twice. Everybody you have is equal to A star, and this one is also same. A is enough, epsilon is enough. This is not at all required because that single A can do the double E, right, which is also A star. Now you may ask how to get epsilon. Take at least 1 here in the power and take epsilon, because you have 3 choices, take epsilon. To generate a power 0, generate a power 1, take this a. To generate a power 2, you have 2 choices, a you can repeat twice or double a you can repeat once. Any doubt in this? I do one thing, like, we just continue this, as today not feeling well, but we'll continue where we left. I'll give some homework questions. Can you try on your own for the next class? You can discuss in Telegram group. I'll be replying it. From 24, I'll be giving some homework questions for today. It's a very small session. As 24, I'll ask the questions only better. Yes or no, you should answer it. Is A star plus B star equal to A star B star? Yes or no? That is your answer. Is A star B star equal to B star A star? 26. Is A star plus B star equal to B star plus A star? 27. Is A star B star equal to A plus B whole star? The 7 questions you can try on your own, and can we discuss in tomorrow's session? We'll continue. A very small session today. Once you answer all these questions, then we can start understanding more regular expression. Thank you everyone for joining today's session. And yes, if you have any doubt, you have the Telegram group. The notes and everything will be shared there, and you can also discuss the doubts. Okay, Vishal, yes, you can join the Telegram group and you can discuss the question directly. If you have any general question, Ajay, you can comment below the video, or you can discuss in my Telegram group. I'll check your answers. See you then.